In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to fill your chalk line. On the side of each chalk line, there's a small little kind of like a trap door here that will slide out of the way and allow you to fill it up with chalk. To open it, you just push it in the direction of the arrow and it'll slide open. Now when filling this up, you want to take your chalk and make sure it gets in there. Squeeze your chalk a little bit and it's going to start filling that up. Be careful not to inhale the chalk. And depending on the capacity of your chalk line will depend how much you fill it up. You typically want to fill it pretty full, but not so full that you can't get that little door closed. Once you fill up your chalk line, you will want to extend that line out and then pull it back in, and maybe do this a couple of times just until the entire string has been coated in that chalk.